Hi, I'm Angela Huffman at Quilted Joy. I want to show you a beautiful border. It's called Infinite Stacked Curls. I've got a 2-inch border and it's separated with 2-inch divider lines. I'm going to go in and do a stacked curl. So a curl to the left, a curl to the right, and then I'm going to do a stacked loop. Back to a curl. So the curl goes in one direction, the curl goes the other direction, and then a stacked loop. And when you do the curl, really tuck your tail way in to the center of that circle that you're making. Tuck your tail way in, it'll look a whole lot better. And a stacked loop. Curl to one side, curl to the other side, stacked loop. And travel your way down. Thanks for watching. I'd love to see what you're working on. Be sure to join us on all of our social media channels, and we have a lot of great tutorials and workshops for you that you'll find in our newsletter. The link is down there in the description. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and ring the bell, because then you'll be notified every time we post a new video.